Hello my viewers, I trust that you're well. Welcome back to Kipesha Cooks. I'm so glad to have you here again. Today we are going to try and prepare pork wet fry, and I will walk you through the process. So let's see what kind of ingredients we need. We need pork, 1 large onion, 1 teaspoon of garlic and ginger paste, 2 tomatoes, chopped coriander, and for the spices we need cumin, turmeric, black pepper, paprika, and dark soy sauce. So let's get right into it. Here is my pork. I'll put it in a sufuria and onto the fire. I won't put any oil at any point because pork itself has a lot of oil. This is on medium heat. I will make sure to stir it a bit slowly so that it doesn't stick onto the sufuria. At this point you need to be patient. Keep stirring, but you need to be patient so that the pork can extract its own oil. So give it time. I'm going in with salt to taste. So after a few minutes, you will notice that your pork has its own oil. That's why I didn't want to add any in the first place. And you'll also notice that the pork will start turning brown like this. And that's the kind of brown we're looking for, so that our stew is thick and it's actually wet fry. So when you've already gotten your oil, you will add your onions and let the onions cook until very golden brown. Just take care not to burn the pork. We want the brown color. So give it time to turn brown. So at this point you cannot even see the onions because they are already very deep golden brown, and that's what we want. And that's how to make the pork wet fry and thick. Don't worry, don't change sufurias, it's not burnt. We actually need it to look like this before we put our tomatoes. That is ginger and garlic paste. So I've gone in with ginger and garlic. I'll give it a good stir. You give it 5 minutes, then add your tomatoes. Then this is dark soy sauce. A tablespoon is enough. Mix it up until the tomatoes cook very well and you can't see them, until they're soft. You're going to cover so that it can cook faster. After your tomatoes are cooked, this is how it will look. Very thick. It actually looks very delicious. It was. And this is the kind of thickness you will have. You'll just add a little bit of water, but usually pork wet fry doesn't have stew. So then the last step of our cooking is to add coriander. And usually coriander shouldn't cook for too long. So a minute is enough, or sometimes you just put the coriander and switch off your heat, then cover. There it is, our pork wet fry is ready. It looks delicious, it was delicious. I hope you're going to try this. You see, the ingredients we've used are just basic, but they go a long way. Thank you for watching. I hope you do try this. It is very delicious, and don't forget to comment after you have tried and to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.